welcome back to Chucky Finance. How are you doing at this time? Hope you're enjoying yourself. After the last video I brought to you regarding what businesses to investing in Nigeria, I am coming back here today again to talk about where you can put your money and to allow your money to work for you and not to allow your funds to sit idle in your savings accounts. I'm here to intimate you on a new opportunity in the market to let you take advantage of it if you have the power to do so. We are here to benefit each other and to pass the information around. After passing this information, I want you to sit down and reassess, digest it, think about it if it is something for you. Like I used to say, I'm not actually an advisor, financial advisor, or stockbroker whereby I can tell you what to buy, what not to buy. I'm right here to give you the broad instruction and to announce to you the opportunity for you to be able to take advantage of anytime you want to invest. If you're already in the market or you're already an investor, so to say, good for you. If you are not yet an investor and you are looking for a way, other alternative to put your money, here is the channels to be. And I will be bringing to you from time to time, like I used to do, the investment opportunities in Nigeria and all over the world. Sit back and sit tight and let us dabble into it, the opportunity that is right now in the market. And I want to use this opportunity to intimate you that you still have the offers from the banks in the market, and the nearest one is going to close on the 4th of September. Watch out for them. FCMB is still there. Zenith is there as well. Please do something about it. And, at the end of the day, you will benefit. Don't spend all your don't spend all your wages for nothing. Do something about it and let your money work for you. Now, the opportunity in the market right now is the dollar type of federal government savings bond. Now they have in the market right now the domestic US dollar, US dollars Nigerian savings bond. So this time around, it's coming to you in dollars. This version is in dollar. If you know the FGN savings bond, the one in Naira is the one we used to have. Now the federal government is out there now advertising and asking you to come up and use your dollar to save. Use your dollar to buy this bond, to borrow then your dollars, and they use your dollar to work for you. They use your dollar to invest. And at the end of the day, you'll be able to get something from them or something back from this dollar denomination of the FGN savings bond. So it is the opportunity in the market now, and it is running fast, and it is going to be closed very soon because a 7 days period was given out for this, and it is actually the first time Nigerian is doing this, issuing this bond in dollars. So it is the series one of this offer in the market. So try to think about it and decide, and let's see if you're going to do something about it, if you're going to put your money or not. Let me give you more details about this. So I have from my stockbroker telling me that, the federal government of Nigeria, FGN, has issued its first ever FGN dollar bond valued at $500 million for subscription to interested investors, like I said to you before. So it is a 5 years domestic FGN bond due in 2029. So at an interest rate of 9.75 per annum. So in dollars. So the offer opened on 19th of August 2024 and shall close on the 30th of August 2024. So my stockbroker is one of the receiving bank for this bond. So this offer for you, if it's for you, if you are, a Nigerian or non-Nigerian as well, you can also apply for this. So the offer opened 19th of August and shall closed on the 30th of August 2024. So the eligible investors are Nigerian residents and Nigeria with savings bond and Nigerian in diaspora and the qualified institutional investors, like So and furthermore, and the summary of the offer, how we put here for you to see how the summary of the offer look like, the information, the broad information completely, so you can see it. So what are the frequently asked questions? And before I go on, this month of August is actually the month whereby the deep pocketed investors can put their money. They have the chance to invest. This is one of them. So if you are deep pocketed, so like we are going on now, I will tell you how much you need to start investing in this dollar denomination of this federal government bond. So then previously we have, I think it came out on the 7th of August, and which has already closed right now. So we have the infrastructural fund issue by United Capital. So this is also, for the deep pocketed. The infrastructural bond issued by United Capital has already closed, and it is actually the series 3 of it, or they wanted to raise up to 10 billion naira. So they encourage investors also to come up and invest in it. So, and that it's gone anyway. So it is actually out of reach for people like us. So it is for the deep pocketed investors. So like this one as well, it's actually for the deep pocketed as well. So the minimum that you can invest in this dollar denomination bond issued by the federal government right now is, I think, is $10,000. So it is $10,000 minimum that you can invest in this if you actually want to do. So like I told you before, the interest rate is 9.75 per annum in dollars. So that is why I said it is for the deep pocketed. So you need to do something about it. So let's see what are the frequently asked questions. Like one of them have answered, or the two of them have answered the amount of money that you need to have to invest. And the second one is who is actually eligible to invest in this bond. So you are eligible. So what more do we need to know? We need to calculate and try to see how much you will earn if you actually invest in this. It is for, I told you before, it is for 5 years. So, and what is the purpose of the bond? And why is the government raising this money at this time? So they said they wanted to use the money to fund critical sector of Nigerian economy to be approved by the President of Nigeria on a recommendation of the Honorable Minister of Finance and the Coordinating Minister of Economy, subject to appropriation by the National Assembly. So they actually didn't say what they want to use the money for. So they put the answer in a broad form, so in a large form. So how can you subscribe? You can subscribe by talking to your stockbroker. Approach your stockbroker and ask them how to subscribe. So like I told you, it is dollar denominated. So you cannot do this investment without contacting your stockbroker, because through them you have to do this. So you need to transfer that money from your domiciliary accounts or whichever account you have directly into your stockbrokers to be able to use the money for you. But you cannot put cash to subscribe. It has to be through bank to bank. So then the bond will be issued by the way of offer for subscription via a fixed price. So it's a fixed price, like so the fixed interest and the fixed price. So you start to invest with $10,000, and afterwards you have to put extra $1,000 if you want to go more from that, plus another 1,000, plus another 1,000, like that and like that. So but the minimum you can invest is $10,000. So that is very important for you to know. And would the investment income from the bond be taxed? So the information is here that income from investment in the domestic FGN US bond is exempted from company taxes or income taxes, personal income tax, and capital gain tax. So it is tax free. So it is also backed by federal government. The bond itself completely is backed by faith. This is just the information that you need to know, so try to do something about it, and I'll put more information on the video here for you also to deal with and to find out more. So it is very important to know this, and let's try to see what interest will be for you, because they say the interest will be paid biannual, so it starts to be every 6 months for the next 5 years if you actually invest in these, and per annum, for a year when you have the money with them, the interest that will accrue to you will be $975 dollars per annum. So definitely we have to divide this into two. So you will get in 6 months $487.50 per 6 months. So that is the way it is. So it's quite different from the way they pay the FGN, the Naira denominated savings bond, which is quarterly. So they pay quarterly over there. So with this one, it is biannual. So if you now put the money together for the next 5 years, if you leave your $10,000 with the federal government of Nigeria, so you're going to have $4,875 for 5 years. So that is actually what is going to accrue to you if you put the minimum, or if you invest $10,000. If you invest more, the interest is going to go up more than this. So what you need to consider is, will the inflation eat into this or not, or what's the advantage? So all we know is that the inflation in Nigeria keeps going up. So, but now this is a dollar-denominated bond being raised, given in the market right now. So definitely, dollar will always be dollar in Nigeria. So you actually cannot lose your money, so to say. So it will actually be rising up. So you have the advantage of, having your dollars back with a higher rate, and at the same time you're collecting your interest also in dollar rate. So definitely it's a win-win situation for whoever that has this money to be invested in this bond being issued in the market right now. So for me, I mean, if you are deep pocketed and you think you have enough money to do this, and you are, you have all the requirements ready for you, like having a stockbroker, having all the necessary numbers that you have to have, and your papers are correct and stuff. So definitely you are good to go to start to invest. I mean, to put your money to invest into this. It is the series 1. So definitely series 2 will actually come too at a later time. So definitely you can try your hand in this and try to see if it is okay for you to to put your money, instead of letting your money lie in a savings account, or where the money is not actually working for you. So do something about it before it closes. So this is Chukitable Media. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like them and share them as well. Let other people know about this information. It is important, and we can also we can both win from every angle. So I will see you next time. Bye bye.